It seems like this digger doesn't miss any tree roots. Well done is better than well said. This craftsmanship will surely satisfy the customers with the perfect shade of green. There's something relaxing about watching the spray paints, like popping bubble wrap. Not even an old hot knife can deter him from delivering satisfaction. Do you recognize the unique technique the artist employs to create this masterpiece? Turns out this is the method through which a master builder cuts the bricks evenly. Are you ready to indulge in this eye-catching dessert? Make the excavator operator's day by showing your appreciation with a like. Give them a call if your roof needs fixing. These ice cream rolls will be served exclusively to our fans. How to properly patch holes in walls. Let's enjoy the final stages of the construction process. We need a machine like this to clear the rubble after the earthquake in Morocco. Ideas for making unique plant pots from cement.
Brightly colored carrots not only bring you a delicious dish, but are also rich in nutrition and flavor. With their vibrant orange color, they radiate attractive beauty and sophistication on any dining table. Explore potatoes. You will witness the diversity of sizes, shapes, and colors. Each type brings you a unique culinary experience. This unique device is an excellent example of innovation and efficiency in the food industry. With advanced technology, the machine not only helps separate sweet peppers by size and color, but also ensures the quality of the final product. Tomato. A fruit with a bright red color that not only enriches the meal, but also brings great flavor and great nutritional benefits. The soft feel and sweet taste of tomatoes always makes meals more attractive. From carefully selected fresh sweet potatoes, this line creates high-quality products, ensuring hygiene and food safety. Sweet potato drying is done with precise temperature and time control, helping to preserve natural flavor and retain nutritional value. The appearance of the orange, with its vibrant orange color and smooth skin.